How to build and grow a list of email subscribers. The best way to harness the power of email marketing is to initiate the process by building your list of subscribers and continuing to grow them. There are several ways you can build and grow your list of subscribers, with one of the best ways to do so is by giving them an incentive. 1. Use sign-up forms wisely. Opt-in or sign-up forms can be simple ways in which you can get your website visitors to subscribe to your newsletter or promotional emails. You will, however, need to make this kind of opt-in form reliable and tempting enough for potential subscribers to sign up for. For this, you will need to take care of the following factors or requirements when it comes to this opt-in form. Attractive. Your opt-in form should be attractive with a clever, thoughtful, relevant, and even funny headline. Simple. Do not complicate your opt-in form too much. Adding too many fields in your opt-in form can make it difficult for your audiences to fill up the form or even become willing to subscribe. Clear. You will need to provide a brief description of what kind of emails your potential subscribers can expect if they choose to opt in. Relevant. Of course, your opt-in form must be relevant. Good flow. The flow should be natural on your website. Subscribe button. Lastly, the subscribe button that you add to your form should also be attractive in terms of font, color, and size, without being overbearing. Make sure it is concise yet interesting instead of being standard, plain, and boring. 2. Use lead magnets. Relying on an opt-in form will not be enough. You will also need to use lead magnets in the opt-in form that can entice the user enough to subscribe to your list. Easy and consumable format. Your lead magnets should ideally be available in a digital format so that your potential subscribers can actually use them effectively. Applicable. The lead magnet that you provide should help the subscribers. Relevant. Make sure you know what your target audience is like and what they usually require and look for. Immediate. You will need to provide your lead magnet immediately to your potential subscriber instead of making them wait. Valuable. Essentially, your lead magnet should provide value in the sense that it should effectively convey the kind of products and services that you can go on to provide to your customers. 3. Build relationships. Once you have built your email list of subscribers through your lead magnets and opt-in forms, it is also important to maintain their trust and loyalty through the subsequent emails that you send. Offer variety. Variety is important when it comes to growing your subscriber list. Each potential buyer or customer might be in their own stage of their buyer's journey. Do not spam. It is extremely important to not spam your new or existing subscribers, since this will immediately put them off and cause them to unsubscribe.